We hoped this was going to save us from Omicron. We were told accelerating the booster campaign would mean no further restrictions, but the new variant is spreading so quickly, the government decided it is time to act to stop it.
We know that the remorseless logic of exponential growth could lead to a big rise in hospitalisations and therefore, sadly, in deaths. And that's why it's now the proportionate and the responsible thing to move to Plan B in England.
Under the so-called Plan B, we are being told to work from home if we can. Face coverings will have to be worn in more places, including theatres and cinemas, and COVID passes will be introduced in large venues. The government's top doctor explained without these measures, Omicron could cause a significant wave here in the UK, putting pressure on the NHS.
We would therefore not expect that these cases, that the case rates in hospital will start to go up for a number of probably 2 to 3 weeks. And in that period, if you're doubling up at the speed we're talking about now, we move from very small numbers to really substantial numbers, and it will keep on doubling.
It's hoped the extra measures will buy the NHS time to give as many people their booster as quickly as possible. It comes exactly a year ago since the very first jab was given here in Coventry. Margaret was the patient and had one message about the vaccine today.
Don't think about it, just go and have it done. You know, just do it. And it doesn't take long to have it done.
From today, millions more can get their booster. The over 40s who had their second dose 3 months ago are now eligible, and early data suggests 3 doses of Pfizer gives good protection against Omicron. Those advising the government say until we know more, though, measures are the only answer.
People talk about the precautionary principle. In other words, you don't wait until you're in a disaster to do something about it. And as I say, the speed of spread means that we need to act really fast. Now, I hope we find out that it's not as virulent as we feared. And I hope we find out that some of the measures may not have been needed, but far better to do something than find out that we're safe than to do nothing and find out that we really are in a crisis.
The run-up to Christmas will look a bit different for all of us now, and there's no doubt we'll all be hoping it was worth it. Emily Morgan, ITV News.